Hey, this is Hagen Stovall with Tiffin Motorhomes, and today we're going to be going over the brand new Midas BT floor plan. This is on a Ford EcoBoost chassis. It is all-wheel drive, and if you'll take a look at the outside, this is full body paint. There's no graphics package, no decals. Full body paint front to back. There's two colors on this particular floor plan here. One thing that you're going to notice, the awning right on the side. It is Girard awning. It does cover your entry door, so you're able to go in and out without getting rain on you if it is raining. A lot of the same quality features in the Midas that we have in the Wayfarer. They kind of carried over to this floor plan. It's just on the Ford chassis. One of those being the aircraft aluminum cargo doors. These are also side hinge doors, so easy access to whatever's tucked away in the back of the compartment. They don't open from the top where you got to get on your hands and knees and crawl in there. So easy access, very durable, sturdy door. This particular model that does have the Truma AquaGo as well as the furnace that is pulled off LP. This does have a gas generator as well, which will be located on the driver's side over there. So one of the really big quality features that Tiffin does in the Wayfarer and the Midas as well, one-piece rear cap, one-piece fiberglass roof, and one-piece front cap as well. You'll notice the legs and the top piece of the front cap are all connected as molded fiberglass piece. So if you look closely, there is no seam right here where the leg meets the top of the cap. That's just for durability, to ensure that you're able to stay on the road instead of, in a service center for leaks. Anytime there's a seal here, you have opportunity for water to get in there, so we go ahead and kind of nip that in the bud right at the beginning. Another really cool feature about the BT floor plan, this is a slideless floor plan, so it's very easy to stop if you want to go take a quick nap. You don't have to worry about sliding your slide out, or maybe being in that tight parking space where you need your slide out but you're not able to do it. You don't have to worry about that with the BT floor plan. Another really cool feature, we do have a pass-through storage here on the back, which you can access from underneath your bed on the inside. So tons of storage on this floor plan. If you'll take a look in there, it goes all the way through to the other side. There's a door on the other side as well. And like I mentioned before, you can access this from your bed inside the coach. So this is the door that actually goes through the pass-through storage, so you're able to access it on the driver's side as well. Also, like I mentioned before, we do have a lot of the same qualities that we brought over from the Wayfarer, one being the smart plug here. This is standard on every Midas. It'll be located here on the driver's side wall. So a lot of the major differences between the Midas BT and the Midas MT are actually on the interior, and we'll go inside and check out some of those features. So the first thing you're going to notice when you come inside the Midas BT compared to the MT, this is where the slide out would typically be in the Midas MT. This is now your kitchen. Induction cooktop, plenty of drawers and overhead cabinets. You actually do have your TV here for these jump seats here. The jump seats do turn into a bed, so there is a mechanism. They'll put a picture up on the screen to show you what it looks like when it's done. But this does push together to make a bed, so if you're laying down, you want to watch some TV, you have that ability. Awning control, just like your Wayfarer. You've got your control board right up here. You still have solar. This is your Truma AquaGo Triple Vision Xantrex 2000 watt inverter, just like the Wayfarer. So that's a lot of those same high quality features that we brought right over. If you'll take a look on the screen as soon as you come in, this is the spider screen, just like the Wayfarer as well. A lot of tabs here. There's your home page. It's going to give you all your tank levels, your battery voltage, tank heater, water pump, your lights. So every light that has an up and down arrow on it, if you click and hold, you're actually able to dim that group of lights. Your third tab is going to be your mechanism, so your fans, you're able to open and close those from your spider board instead of manually going to each fan. Also on the same, kind of bringing back a lot of the quality features as the Wayfarer, solid surface top. So this is a standard feature. There's no compressed wood anywhere in here. Hardwood cabinets throughout. Your drawers, full 100% extension. So you'll notice some drawers will open halfway. You've got to reach back in there for that remote. Ours open 100%. You can easy access to whatever's in the back of that drawer, as well as soft close hinges. On the countertop, we also give you a countertop extension here that latches into place. So whenever you are at a campground, you need a little bit more space when you're out cooking. You're able to pull this down. It really extends that countertop. Solid surface as well. No laminate on this countertop. And then when you're up and ready to go, fold it up, lock it into place, pull your seat back up, and you're ready to go. So like the Wayfarer, we have an 8 cubic foot electric refrigerator that is standard, 2 doors, so you actually have a separate freezer with a large freezer, plenty big enough for frozen foods, frozen dinners, ice cream. You do have the option for a gas electric reefer that you can opt in for. Another really cool feature is a little hidden pantry here. A lot of different things you could do with this, whether it's seasonings or maybe some canned goods, stuff like that. A lot of things you can do here in this area. Much like the Wayfarer, we have a one-piece fiberglass shower. So if you'll look at the bottom, there's no seams, no sealant. This is all one-piece molded fiberglass. So no room for leaks, no room for any sealant to rip off or need to be repaired. As well as the shower Midas, which is going to help you preserve water if you are boondocking. One cool thing about the Midas is you can open this door. There's a little magnet on the door that will lock into place, where it does close off kind of your bedroom, bathroom area to give you a little bit of privacy if you do have company over. Porcelain toilet, no plastic toilet, porcelain sink bowl, as well as your solid surface countertop and hardwood cabinets throughout. As I mentioned before, there's no slide out in this unit. You do have the 2 twin beds in the back. So these twins do close together to make a king size bed. The cushions are here for this. And as we were talking about earlier with your pass-through, this is your pieces that you put up to put your bed together, but also access to your pass-through storage that we mentioned before. Plenty of overhead cabinet space for all your shirts, shorts, socks, anything you need to store. You're going to have plenty of room, as well as reader lights back here that you're able to control individually, and your TV here as well. Over here, went ahead and pulled this table out. So this is actually the table and the pedestal that you're able to put in between the jump seats. So if you and your significant other are having supper, you are able to sit across from each other, have a conversation with a big enough table to have 2 plates and drinks as well. Again, thanks for watching. This is Hagen Stovall at Tiffin Motorhomes and our brand new Midas BT. Make sure you get on our website, go through the 3D tour, read some of the features that we might have missed here, and check it out and call your local dealer. Thank you.